Show that the height of the container can be written as 24 over x squared. In order to obtain the volume of the container, we need to multiply the length by the width by the height. So V equals x multiplied by x multiplied by y. So 24 equals x squared multiplied by y. Therefore, y equals 24 all over x squared. Find an expression for the surface area of the enclosed cuboid given your answer as a function of x. So remember that the surface area is found by summing the areas of all the faces of the cuboid. The area of the top and bottom faces equals 2 multiplied by x, and that gives us 2x squared, and the area of the sides can be obtained by multiplying 2 and x and y, and that equals 2xy, and finally the area of the front and back faces can also be obtained by multiplying 2 and x and y, and that gives us 2xy. Therefore, the total surface area will simply be 2x squared plus 2xy plus 2xy, and that will equal 2x squared plus 4xy. And given as y equals 24 over x squared, we can substitute this into our expression, giving us 2x squared plus 96 over x. So the final answer is 2x squared plus 96 over x. Use differentiation to find the value of x that would give the minimum surface area for the cuboid. So if we write our answer from the previous question in a different form, we can get 2x squared plus 96x to the power of minus 1, and differentiating this with respect to x gives us 4x minus 96x to the power of minus 2, and that's the same as 4x minus 96 all over x squared. And given that is a minimum, we need to set this equal to 0 and solve for x. So 4x equals 96 over x squared, so 4x all cubed equals 96, x cubed equals 24, therefore x equals the cube root of 24, and that gives us 2.88. So the final answer is 3 centimeters. Given that the container needs to hold at least 24 meter cubed, state how this affects your answer to part C. So if V equals x squared y from part A and y equals 24 over x squared, I can substitute the value of x equals 2.88 into y, and that gives me 2.89. So V will equal x times y, and that just gives us 2.88 times 2.88 times 2.89, and that gives us 23.97. And given as this is less than 24 meter cubed, x will have to increase.